So guys, we are with Pavel here in this very beautiful place, the Motoring Club in Santa Monica, and here we have absolutely incredible car. This is all new Chevrolet Silverado EV, and today in this video we'll give you some interesting details about this car, and let's start right now. Pavel, I think front part is just so impressive, so aggressive, and a lot of classic Chevrolet design I can see here.
So what's the interesting part? For example, like Ford recently announced the new F-150 EV, and it looks like exactly like the regular Ford F-150.
Yeah, absolutely the same.
It's the same, so people might like misunderstand that this is like the older model, like newer model. Here we have like a completely different like redesign.
So I'm really in love with this illumination panel here, and very cool that they also made illumination of Chevy logo. Looks very cool. And also, as you can see, there is some intakes for cooling. I think maybe batteries or I don't know, maybe for brakes.
My opinion is it's the brakes, because we have like 24-inch wheels here as a base model.
Yeah.
Like on the Chevy model, I believe like the RST, it's like the top of the line.
Yeah, this is fully loaded, and if you're talking about price, such fully loaded Silverado EV costs 105K, and if you're talking about base Silverado EV, it starts from $40,000. So
40 grand.
Yeah. Opa! Thank you so much, sir.
That's probably like one of my favorite parts in this car. It's like the front cargo area.
Yeah.
Regularly you will find like engine here. In some of the EV cars they have like a smaller compartment here, but in Chevy we have like a very large place. And what's really interesting about this thing is it has the outlet. So basically you can connect anything, construction tools,
For example, grill, and have a nice picnic somewhere outside.
I believe, like this car might be very useful for the construction workers, for the people who work in the construction. So because like you can put basically any equipment here, you can connect them to the electricity and use them easily here. So you have like the back of the truck for all your like specific like stuff, and here you can actually work.
And also what I like, so this car starts from $40,000. So we will see a lot of these cars on the road for simple works, and it will be cool that
Inside, in the cargo area, in the front, in the back, behind, under the seats, everywhere.
I'm really in love how it looks from every angle. Design is really perfection. 24-inch wheels, they look so huge, and also from first point of view you can think that it's not enough design for brakes to be ventilated, but I see this part, so I think that should works good.
It actually works really well, because like this, as you can see, like these things, the air will fly whenever you like driving. The air will fly in and they will cool the brakes. What I really like about this truck, that 24-inch wheels, that like they don't look like they're huge. For example, like a lot of people put like 24, 26 inches on the Escalades, like I know any cars, and they look like massive, looks cool, but it's like not for everyone. Here you don't see just the wheels, you see like the whole car as a complete look.
if you'll see on this car from this point of view, it reminds me, of course, of new Hummer EV, because this is relatives, same base, same technical parts, but in Hummer EV we have a little bit over 1000 horsepower, and here we have in maximum RST version 660 horsepower.
Still a lot.
Yeah, of course.
Like, we just talking some numbers like 8000 horsepower, like 660 horsepower. It's still a lot of horsepower, especially like for the EV vehicle.
From 0 to 60 in less than 4.5 seconds, from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 4.7 seconds, and this thing is doing great job in acceleration.
My thing is like this car get like 4.5, 4.7. My 2003 Porsche 911, it's 4.8 seconds, 0 to 60. Like it's the 20 years difference. Like back in the 20 years, it was like something mind-blowing. Like everyone was like, wow, less than 5 seconds, 0 to 60, crazy.
If we will continue to talk about technical part, there are two electric engines here, one on rear axle, one on the front, and it's over 1000 Newton meters of torque, which is a lot again. And yeah, can't wait to see this thing in dynamic mode, and yeah, just can't wait to see it.
We're talking about F-150 electric, so we see like the classic pickup, like truck body. So we have like four doors and we have a bed.
Yeah.
Here we have the same configuration, but it looks much more interesting with this adding, like with this form. So it adds more aggressive like look to this car. It makes more interesting and more like eye appealing.
Yeah.
So we're gonna talk a little bit more about the inside of the bed, like how we can put, you know, any sofa or like if you go somewhere outdoors. Really interesting thing, because I used to have a truck back in the days, and it was just, you know, like two doors truck with the bed, and the bed is separated from the cabin, so we can just take the bed off and like drive it out the bed. So they just like two different parts. Here it's one huge part, and it connects the bed and the cabin, so you can slide through, go through there and put anything.
So guys, let's get inside. Up. And inside, first thing that I want to talk about is this 17-inch display. And I remember when I was playing video games, I had 17-inch display in my room, and now we have finally inside of a car, and it looks really huge, man.
And I believe you can still connect your video game console here and just play on the screen, so you can feel like you're in your bedroom, and it's probably the size of your bedroom.
Yeah, that's really great. Of course, virtual dashboard. I really like design of this wheel and how it's touching. Very nice.
And all this like older like virtual panels, all their animations. I really like how big are like the numbers, the words, so you don't need, you know, like to zoom in, try to you know, like try to get the attention there. It's very informative.
Yes.
And they like showing us different modes, like how the Apple CarPlay looks, how the Android looks like, how the different modes in the car looks, without anything, just the black screen, which looks amazing. This is probably the welcome light.
Yeah. Welcome illumination, welcome graphics.
But still, I believe like this is the pre-production model, so they might change some stuff around.
Cool. And also, if you see here, there is a glass roof here. It's really big, and yeah, that looks amazing.
So I'm 6.1, and I feel very comfortable sitting in the back, and I feel very comfortable sitting in the front. So there's like tons of space, tons of storage space under the seats, tons of storage space in the center console, in the doors. As you can see, like you can fit probably, I know, 3 bottles of water.
Very unusual material. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our little short review about all new Silverado EV, and I hope that soon we'll make a test drive with it and we'll show it with full power on the road.
Thank you so much, guys.